Rajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, who is the most merciful and most beneficent, and who loves us more than 70 mothers. Respectable community leader, esteemed director, and my all charming Habibians, I want to greet you with these words. Assalamu alaikum. As today we are gathered to talk about a evidence topic which has been picked by the management of Habib's English Academy, namely, books are our life. My dear, before of me, there are many speakers who came and delivered their speeches, but even they don't know the books stand for. What is the full form of books? The big ocean of knowledge, this is the full form of big books. What kind of knowledge? The knowledge about geology, about meteorology, oceanography, criminology, these all kinds of knowledge. Now, what is geology? The geology is the study of earth, rocks and all its aspects. You know better than me, my dear. If I talk about the cherish, the value of books, it's very important to know. Now you can see that many people, they does not respecting the books. Their books are being kept in a side. They spend the many years and they used to not even clean it. Is this respect of books? In this method will they able to get their success? Never. My dear, now you can see that the books are giving us knowledge, but what about? Books are giving us knowledge about the education. Now what is the education? As the Hirna Burgum said, the education make people easy to lead but difficult to drive. Easy to govern but impossible to enslave. This is the purpose, this is the meaning of education and the knowledge. If I will talk about the authority, if I will talk about the author who used to write the books, they are taking a lot of difficulty. And you people and we, they are making us a good, they are giving us a good books to get benefit. Unfortunately, and be united, we people have no cherish about this. My dear audience, let me go further. My next point, that education has been defined from many mastermind and in different way. As education, the professor A.E. Johnson said, the education creation of the final hunger, human hungers. In this word, if you will see all the books, many people they are blamed that I am poor, I could not afford the price of books. Where I should get the books? Which books I should run? My second point, the books, if the singular, the book, if I make them plural, so I say library. The library is a plural of books. If you will go to the library, you will get such kind of great books about your knowledge. If you want to act upon these things, if you want to increase your knowledge, it's better for you to go library. I want to include one of the poetry in my speech. जब तुम आओगे खोया हुआ पाओगे, जब तुम आओगे खोया हुआ पाओगे, और मेरे कमरे को सजाने की तमन्ना है तुम्हें, मेरे कमरे को सजाने की तमन्ना है तुम्हें, मेरे कमरे में किताबों के अलावा कुछ ना पाओगे, मेरे कमरे में किताबों के अलावा कुछ ना पाओगे. My dear, now you can see that many successful person, their story, their history is that they love books very much. And what about us? Our parents, they are affording money. Why not they are poor? I do not say that every parent is rich. Every father, every person, every boy, father is rich. No, some are poor, some are feeling very difficulty, very tragic. In the moment of lack of, as like we can say the season of monsoon. Like this, have you ever listened, they said we have no money, I cannot afford the money of your books. So like so my dear, I want to say the education means to know the something of everything, that everything of something. This is the many means of education which we are getting from books. The books, for the being a successful person, kindly, please and kindly give focus and more urge to you people, are more urge the nation of Pakistan that give focus on your education, give focus on books, then you will see that how much our country is going to progress, how much our country will get progress and countable. I cannot recognize it in front of you guys. This is the value cherish of education. My dear, now you can see that every guy have their books, but unfortunately some have no cherish about their books. Some have no. Now, my second point, books of world. Which is book which can save us the next world? Is Holy Quran. We are being a Muslimin, the being Ummah of Holy Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, we should recite the Holy Quran. You all guys are Muslimin, you all accept that Allah is one. So you should also recite the Holy Quran. In the Holy Quran there's everything written, everything. If you will recite it with carefully, everything you will know the way of worship, you will know the method how to spend the life. Everything written. But unfortunately our Muslim brethren, they are away from these things. They are together with those things which are useless for us. And they are away from such things which can save us this world also, next world also. This is called the Holy Quran. And this is one of the books which we know, the last book of Allah Almighty. My dear, now you can see that the education, one of the next quotation is that the education is such a weapon which people can use to change the world. Now you can see that all the country, and I want to give you proof about these things, that how the education, what kind of education weapon. Japan, which weapon Japan used to progress their country? Education. Japan used the education to get their country progress, and today Japan in front of us. Really such much we are being confused because the biggest factory of the cars in Japan, the most population city, Tokyo in Japan. These kind of facility are present in Japan because of education. If you will cherish, if you will give, all students will give the great cherish to education, our education can speed our environment in our country, planet Earth, and continent Asia. So I must sum up my speech to dedicate this line, this topic. You all are a student. I more urge to you that read more books. The books will teach you how to spend your life. The books will teach you how to be good. The books are source to spend your life. So I want to say thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.